Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gaming microphone is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any PC gamer looking to enhance their online experience. From crystal clear communication with teammates to captivating streams for your audience, a quality microphone can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of gaming microphones, exploring the best options available and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your gaming setup. Number 5. Logitech Blue Yeti USB Mic, Gaming, Streaming, Recording. This USB microphone delivers clear, powerful, broadcast quality sound. It's perfect for YouTube videos, streaming, gaming, podcasting, and more. You'll get amazing audio quality with this product. Take control of your audio. With headphone volume, pattern selection, instant mute, and mic gain, you're in charge. This makes it easy to adjust your sound on the fly. This microphone offers flexible recording options. Choose from cardioid, omni, bidirectional, and stereo patterns. It allows you to record vocals, instruments, and podcasts with ease. Enhance your streams and recordings. The software provides clear vocal sound and fun effects. It also offers advanced modulation and HD audio samples to make your content better. Get the perfect sound with the adjustable stand. Pivot the microphone to optimize sound quality. You can also monitor your voice in real time without any delay. What we like. This microphone offers studio quality sound, ensuring your voice is captured with exceptional clarity. It also features multiple pickup patterns, giving you flexibility in how you record. Moreover, with the Blue Voice software, you can elevate your recordings with enhanced effects. If you are looking for a versatile microphone with professional-grade sound and customization options, you should consider it. What people say. The studio-quality sound delivered by this microphone is just incredible. The ability to choose from 4 polar patterns is a marvelous feature. Setup was an absolute breeze. It's a true plug-and-play mic, simply connected to my MacBook and it was ready to go. Number 4. FIFINE K669B USB microphone for PC, Mac, PS4, PS5. This USB microphone is incredibly easy to set up. It comes with a USB cable, allowing you to connect it directly to your computer for recording music, singing, or podcasting. It's simple to use and install. The microphone features a sturdy metal construction and includes a stable tripod stand. This design makes it perfect for voiceovers or live streams. The durable material ensures a long lifespan for the microphone. It has a convenient volume knob for easy adjustment. This allows you to control the loudness of your voice, making it ideal for gaming, Skype calls, or voice recording. You can even mute it for privacy. This USB-powered microphone works with various applications and doesn't require phantom power. It's compatible with Cortana, Discord, and voice recognition software. It works well with desktops, laptops, and PS4, PS5. The cardioid condenser microphone captures your voice clearly. It produces smooth and crisp sound, making it great for gamers, streamers, and YouTubers. It focuses on your voice and reduces background noise. It is perfect for use with Discord, OBS, TeamSpeak, Twitch, Zoom, WebEx, Amazon Chime, and Audacity. Remember to disable the sound-activated recording function in your application to maintain a consistent recording volume. What we like. This USB microphone offers a convenient plug-and-play setup, making it easy to use. Its durable metal design ensures longevity, perfect for daily use. Additionally, the built-in mic volume knob allows for quick adjustments. If you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-use and durable microphone, you should consider this one. What people say. This mic, being a cardioid type, does an excellent job of isolating my voice and minimizing the unwanted reflections. Noise floor is very low, with no appreciable hiss even with the volume nearly maxed. It has a directional pickup pattern, meaning the sounds around my room are picked up less, and nobody complains they cannot hear me or fail to understand me. Number 3. Logitech Blue Snowball Ice USB microphone. Tired of muffled audio? This microphone delivers crystal clear sound. It's a significant upgrade from your computer's built-in microphone, ensuring your voice is heard loud and clear. Focus on what matters most, your voice. The cardioid pickup pattern captures sound directly in front of it. This design is perfect for streaming, podcasting, and online meetings. Make a statement with its classic design. This microphone looks great on your desk and on camera. It adds a touch of style to any recording or streaming setup. Get the perfect angle for optimal sound. The adjustable stand lets you position the microphone for the best audio quality. It also saves space on your desktop. Stay connected with clear communication. This microphone is certified for leading VoIP platforms. You'll be heard loud and clear whether you're on Skype, Discord, or other platforms. What we like. This microphone delivers crystal clear audio quality, ensuring your voice is heard with precision. Its cardioid pickup pattern focuses on your voice while minimizing background noise. The stylish retro design adds a touch of elegance to your setup. If you like a microphone that combines great sound with a classic look, you should consider this one. What people say. It really is a professional quality microphone that gives you a clear and crisp sounding voice, most evident when making podcasts, voiceovers, live streams, etc. Its build is actually pretty sturdy. The outer shell of the microphone is made up of a very heavy-duty type of plastic which gives you the "it's gonna last a long time" feeling. This is extremely easy to set up. It is literally just what the box says. Plug and play. Just make sure that the input device is set to the blue Snowball microphone. Number 2. FIFINE T669 USB Microphone Kit. This USB studio microphone kit offers a simple plug-and-play connection. It connects directly to your PC or laptop without needing extra hardware or drivers. It's perfect for recording vocals, podcasts, and Skype calls. This vocal recording microphone delivers excellent sound quality. It has a wide frequency response and handles high sound pressure levels with ease. This is ideal for home studio applications, capturing clear audio while minimizing background noise. The podcast microphone bundle includes a sturdy boom arm. It offers versatile adjustments for optimal positioning. The double pop filter reduces unwanted sounds, ensuring a clean recording. The streaming microphone is easy to set up with its adjustable arm stand. The design allows for easy positioning without obstructing your face. You can use it for podcasting, voiceovers, or online calls. This studio microphone comes with a complete set of accessories. It includes a sturdy scissor arm stand, a shock mount, a double pop filter, and a USB cable. It also comes with a user manual and technical support. What we like. This studio microphone provides a simple USB output for easy setup. It offers excellent sound quality, perfect for professional recordings. The durable arm set provides flexibility in positioning. If you have a home studio and need a complete recording solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Setup was simple. Mic quality is great. The boom arm and shock mount provide great stability, and the plug-and-play USB feature makes it easy to use with my computer. Number 1. Razer Seiren Mini USB Condenser Microphone. This is the Razer Seiren Mini. It delivers stellar clarity with crisp highs and deep lows. It ensures your voice is broadcast with professional quality. The microphone has a tighter pickup angle. It focuses on your voice while minimizing background noises like typing. This feature makes it perfect for streaming and gaming. Designed for minimalist setups, it takes up minimal desk space. It's easy to bring along if you need to stream elsewhere. The compact design keeps the focus on you. The microphone sits on a sturdy stand that can be angled. You can find the perfect spot for your voice. It can also be mounted on a boom arm or mic stand. The Razer Seiren Mini connects via USB. It's ready to use right out of the box. This makes it simple to set up and start recording. What we like. This microphone features an ultra-precise supercardioid pickup pattern, focusing on your voice and minimizing background noise. Its ultra-compact build saves desk space and is discreet on camera. The heavy-duty tilting stand allows for optimal positioning. If you are looking for a compact and focused microphone, you should consider it. What people say. The quality for the audio is superb. I'm sure when others will hear me now, it will be crystal clear, crisp, and like as if I'm in the same room. Compact design. The first thing that caught my attention was its size. It's incredibly compact and doesn't take up much space on my desk, which is a big plus. Sound quality. Despite its small size, the audio quality is surprisingly good. It captures clear and crisp audio, making it ideal for voiceovers, streaming, and video calls. I've noticed a significant improvement in the audio quality of my online meetings and content. Plug and play. Setting up the Seiren Mini was a breeze. It's a true plug-and-play device, and it works seamlessly with my computer without the need for any additional drivers or software. The Razer Seiren Mini was easy to set up, just plug it in and it's ready to go. I didn't need to install any extra software. My friends noticed the difference right away. They said my voice sounded clear and crisp, with no static or distortion. The mic also does a decent job of blocking background noise. It focuses on my voice and cuts out most of what's around me. That's helpful when I'm in a voice chat or on a call. It's small, so it doesn't take up much space on my desk. The build feels solid, not cheap. For the price, it performs better than I expected. If you want a simple, good quality mic for gaming or calls, this is a solid pick. The compact size is perfect for my setup, and the build quality feels solid. The plug-and-play functionality made it super easy to set up. I just plugged it in, and it was ready to use. The sound quality is outstanding, with crisp and clear audio reproduction. It significantly enhances the overall quality of my content. I also appreciate the cardioid pickup pattern, which effectively isolates my voice from background noise. This feature has been a game changer in providing a clean and polished sound. Additionally, the Seiren Mini's sleek design adds a professional touch to my workspace. It's a visually appealing piece of tech that complements my setup wonderfully. This microphone is very small and great quality. It has the best sound suppression for its price range. The build quality is great too. Out of the box, this microphone is very quiet. It's so simple and small, yet the sound quality is great and works just as well as any other $100 plus mic in my opinion. I got it as my first mic and have zero complaints. Additionally, the detachable base is nice if you want to attach it to a boom arm. Super great mic if you need a budget one that looks cute too, smiley face. There's no mute button, however, keep in mind. Sounds amazing out of the box. Comes with an attachment to mount it onto a boom arm. Stand is amazing and barely moves. Many compliments on the sound quality. The audio is good and does not pick up noise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.